Hello everyone. On this video, this pretty quick video, I'm just going to show you how to convert decimals to fractions and rounding them to the nearest 1/16 or 1/32 of an inch. Alright, so if you're looking at this one, you have to convert the following decimals to fractions rounded up to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. We have 0.921 inches. We have 2.55 inches, and we have 1.95 inches. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do problem A. Then I want you to do problems B and C. Okay. And as you're going to see, it's not super duper hard. What we're going to do is we're going to get 0.921. And we're going to put it as 0.921 over 1. Okay, same value, we didn't change the value at all. But now, since we want to have it to the nearest 16th of an inch, we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 16. If we want it to the nearest 1/4 of an inch, we'll multiply it by 4 over 4. If we want it to the nearest 1/20th of an inch, we multiply it by 20 over 20. But because we want it to the nearest 1/16th of an inch, we multiply it by 16 over 16. Okay, so 0.921 times 16 is 14.736 divided by 1 times 16, which is 16. Okay, so what we're going to do with our numerator, we're going to round to the nearest unit or whole number. So 14 rounded up to the nearest whole number is 15. So it'll be about 15/16. All right, and that's it. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to press pause and try B and C on your own. Alright, so I'm assuming you've already pressed pause, so let's go ahead and verify. So for problem B, we have 2.55, oh, forgot to put inches there. You have 2.55 inches, which is 2.55 over 1. Again, we want it to the nearest 16th, so we multiply it by 16 over 16. Okay, so 2.55 times 16 is 40.8, and 1 times 16 is 16. So once again, we round our numerator to the nearest whole number. So 40.8 rounded is 41. So this is approximately 41 over 16, which is equal to 2 9/16 of an inch, since this is an improper fraction. All right, so let's go ahead and do problem C. We have 1.95 inches. Let's move that up a little more. Okay, so of course we rewrite it as 1.95 over 1. Again, since we're rounding to the nearest 16th of an inch, we multiply by 16 over 16. 1.95 times 16 is 31.2. And 1 times 16 is 16. Again, we round our numerator to the nearest whole number. So 31.2 rounded is 31 over 16. Well, this is approximately. So that's going to equal 1 15/16 of an inch. All right, so it's not too bad. It's pretty quick work once you get some practice in. All right, so if you're still writing this, feel free to pause it. But we're going to go ahead and move on to our next page, a few more examples. All right, so what I want you to do I want you to try these on your own because you want to convert the following decimals to fractions rounded up to the nearest 32nd of an inch. So I want you to go ahead and press pause and try these. Alright, so I'm assuming you've already pressed pause and tried these. So let's go ahead and verify. So you have 0.85. Okay, so we go ahead and put that as 0.85 over 1. And because we want it to the nearest 32nd of an inch, we multiplied by 32 over 32. Okay, so 0.85 times 32 is 27.2. And 1 times 32 is 32. So we round our numerator, which is about 27 over 32. Okay, and that's the simplest form. It can't be reduced anymore. Okay, and for problem B, okay, we go ahead and rewrite that. 0.600 over 1. Oh, move that up a little. And again, we want it to the nearest 32nd of an inch, so we multiply by 32 over 32. Okay, so we have our 1/10 out, so 600 thousandths times 32 is 19.2 over 1 times 32, which is 32. Again, we round our numerator. So 19.2 rounded to the nearest whole number is 19 32nds of an inch. All right, so again, that was pretty painless. As far as a lot of problems go, it wasn't too bad. All right, so hopefully this little short example video made sense, and I'll see you on the next video.